cover the Espresso bike. This is a bike simulator where you can do free rides, you can play games, or you can do spin classes. However, we got to talk about the setup. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you adjust the seat height. Right here we have a red lever. This allows you to raise the seat up or down. Underneath we have a red knob. This allows you to move the seat forward or backwards. You want to make sure that you have a slight bend in your knee so that way you're not hyperextending. So make sure that you're not leg extension or at a full 90, just a comfortable 45. On the pedals, you're going to see these straps with these cups. You're going to slide your toe in, and you want to make sure that you cinch the strap down over your sneakers to keep your foot secure on the pedals. So once we get onto the bike, from here we have a screen. You can see we have quick start, ride, games, studio, and pedal. Okay. For this, I'm just going to do a quick start feature. Okay. If you notice, we have easy, medium, or hard. These are very similar to skiing, where we have beginner, intermediate, and advanced, where the diamond, the green, and the blue. So I'm going to do the rabbit run. This is easy. Notice my screen is loading. Takes a minute. You can also log in here and you can save your rides. Notice it's a simulator. On here I have my heart rate monitor, so I can check that. Right down here on the right, you'll notice it'll say reading. I can also adjust my resistance by switching gears. So if I hit the red buttons below the handle, I'm raising my gear up. Tougher on the push, but I'm going to get further in distance. If I want to lower down, say I'm doing a hill climb, I'm feeling it push back, because the machine will do the work for you. You'll feel the resistance of that change in elevation. I'm going to lower down my gear to make the pedaling slightly easier. Okay, again, my heart is working hard. I'm going to check that, make sure I stay within my target heart rate range. And as you notice, the handle moves with the game. So I will stay on course so it feels as much of a real ride as possible. Also in here we have plugins where you can put in a USB, or if you have a sound, you can put in an aux jack and cup holders.